On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. As you can see, these are my statistics in the last 2 days. You can see I got 2,972 impressions. You can see I got 364 clicks. You can see the change is 200%. I got 78 conversions, and the amount of money I made is $1,639.18. That is the amount that I've made in the last 2 days. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The platform that I'm using today is markethelp.com. Let me log out to show you how the platform looks like. So let me log out right here. As you can see, this is the home page of markethelp.com. You can see markethelp.com. Markethelp.com is an affiliate network that you can find a lot of different health products to promote so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. They have a lot of different health products that you can promote on this platform. And the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then find a health product that you can promote on this platform to make money from home. If you want to join this website, what you have to do is that just click on the sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can enter your details so that you can get access to your free accounts. Let me log in to show you some of the products on this platform. So let me log in. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. If you want, you can go on your dashboard to see your statistics. You can see these are the offer page. When you scroll down, you can see these are categories of offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see they have cosmetics, health and beauty stores, pet health, skincare, teeth whitening, women's health and beauty, weight loss products. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can find an offer to promote. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then find a digital product that you can promote. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a weight loss product. So click on weight loss. Once you click on weight loss, you can see these are the products that you can promote. Most of them are CPA offers, which means some of them you don't need a sale. All that you need is that your potential visitors to enter their credit card details to subscribe to the offer, and you are going to be paid. Some of them you also need a sale. For example, you can see this is a CPA offer and you are going to be earning $30 per every lead that you get. When you scroll down, you can see this offer, you are going to be earning 50% of the price of the product. The next one, you're going to be earning $45 per every lead that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $45 per every lead that you get. There are many of them. When you scroll down, you can see this one too. You are going to be earning 50% of the price of the product. The next one, you're going to be earning $75 per every qualified lead that you get. The next one, you're also going to be earning $50 per every qualified lead that you get. There are many of them. When you scroll, you can see many of them that you can promote to earn money from home. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on this blue icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. If you want, you can shorten it. So when you click on shorten URL, your affiliate link has been shortened. You can use the impressive pixels. You can share directly to your Twitter page or an email. Apart from that, you can also customize your affiliate link depending on the way you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to look at the expiring date of the offer. In this case, this offer is going to expire on 31st December 2038 at 11:59. So you have to take note of that. You can see the number of days is still up to 5,520 days. So you can promote this product for a very long time and then earn a commission before it expires. So when you scroll down, you can see this is the landing page of the product. If you want to look at it fully, what you have to do is that you have to click on preview landing page. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a landing page like this. You can see this is the landing page. This is what your potential customers are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. When you scroll down, you can see more details in the sales page. You can see a whole lot of different details about the product. What you have to do is that you have to take the time, read the details on the landing page so that you can get some basic information about the product before you begin promoting it. You can see a whole lot of different details about the product. So make sure you take your time, read everything about it before you begin to promote it, so that when your potential customers ask anything about the product, you can be able to tell them. You can see a whole lot of different details. You can see right here, people can buy from any country that they want. You can see when you click on it, there are a lot of different countries. So wherever the customers are, they can select their country and then make a purchase. So now, once you have gotten to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you are going to begin promoting it. What we have to do is that we have to drive traffic to our affiliate link so that we can get people to purchase the product for us to make money on markethelp.com. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic method that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. If you have money, you can also use the paid traffic method. The paid traffic method is going to give you a lot of sales. So if you have money, you can invest with paid ads so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. In this case, I will just show you the free method. In another video, I will also show you the paid method. The website that we are going to be using to get traffic to our affiliate link is quickad.com. Quickad is a classified website that you can use to post your ad for free to any country that you want. You can see in the United States, you can choose any state that you want. As I scroll, you can see different states in the United States that you can select. If you don't want the United States, you can see Canada, you can see Europe, you can see Oceania, you can see Asia and Middle East, you can see Latin America, Africa, any country that you want, you can select it and then post your ad so that you can be getting people who will click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. What I recommend is that you have to choose the tier 1 countries. So you have to select United States. If you don't want United States, you can select Canada or the United Kingdom. If you don't want United Kingdom, you can select Australia or New Zealand. Any of them that you want, you can select, because those are the tier 1 countries that you can get people who understand English. The offer is in English. Those who live in those countries, they understand English, and the best part is that they have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So make sure you select the tier 1 countries. Now, once you know this, the next step is that you have to create your accounts so that you can post your ad onto the platform. To create an account, just click on my account. Once you click on it, you can sign up for a free account so that you can be using it to promote your affiliate links on the website for free. If you are new, click here, sign up for an account. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the details so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to run ads on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to begin posting your ad. To post an ad, click on post a free ad. Once you click on post a free ad, you are going to select the country that you are targeting. In this case, I'm going to target United States, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select any state in the United States that you are targeting. In this case, I'm targeting New York. Once that is done, you are going to select a city in New York, so click on it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to select the categories. So you have to select a category that is related to the offer that you are promoting. In this case, we are promoting a health product. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see for sale. Click on it. Once you click on for sale, the next step is that you are going to select the subcategory. In this case, we are promoting a health product. So you have to scroll down and then search for health. You can see health and beauty. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you are going to write the ad title and then a description. So you have to write an ad title and a description. What you have to do is that you have to use ChatGPT to write the ad title and a description for you. Or if you want, you can go back on the offer page and then get the description of the product. For example, when you come back on Market Health, as I scroll down, you can see the product. They have some brief description about it. You can see this is the description. If you want, you can copy this or you can use ChatGPT. In this case, I'm going to copy the description here. So highlight and then copy the description. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy the description, what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to enter your title. So in this case, I'm going to type my title in. So we can type something like lose weight naturally and easily with keto diet. This is a nice title, but make sure you don't enter the same title. If you enter the same title, this website is going to see it as a duplicate and they are going to delete your ad. So make sure you change the title a little bit. Now, once you have the title, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link in the description so that when people read about it, they can click on your affiliate link so that they can be directed to the product. Once you enter the title, the next step is that you are going to enter your affiliate link in the description so that when people read about it, they can click on your affiliate link and then look at the product. If they like it, they can make the purchase for you to make money. So you are going to add a call to action here. So type something like click here to learn more, something like this. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, the next step is that you're going to insert your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on market health. Once you come back on market health, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back. Once you come back, you are going to highlight your call to action. Once you highlight your call to action, you can see this link icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. So when people click on your ad and then read the description of your ad, they can click here so that they can be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning a commission. You can see the link right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to enter the rest of the details. You can see posting as. So if you don't want your email to be shown, you can hide it. So you can click here. I don't want to be contacted via email. So you can hide your email. You can hide your email and then let the users contact you via the contact form. Some people might take your email and then send you unnecessary messages. So if you want, you can hide your email and let them contact you via the contact form on this website. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see specific location. It is optional and it is not necessary because we have entered those details. You can see we are targeting Albany in New York, so that is the specific city. There is no need for us to enter another specific city, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see price. You have to enter the price of the product, so you have to come back on the landing page. Once you come back on the landing page, you can get to know the price of the product. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the order form so that you can get to know the price of the product. You can see order now. Click on it like a customer. Once you click on it, you can see the different packages of the product. Scroll down to the last part so that you can see the total cost of the product. You can see this is the total cost of the product, $186.80. It depends on the shipping and handling method that your potential customers will choose. If they choose rush, the price is going to increase. If they choose standard, the price is going to be $186.80. So we are going to be using the $186. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back. Once you come back, you are going to paste the amount here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the amount, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see condition. It is optional, but in this case, let's select it new. Once that is done, you can see quantity, phone number, contact name, ships to. So all of those details are optional. If you want, you can enter them. If you don't want, you can leave it. Once that is done, you can see create a PayPal buy now button. So you don't need to create that because the product is not ours. We are an affiliate. So when they click on our affiliate link, they are going to be directed to the landing page of the product and they can make the payment there for us to earn a commission. So just leave all these details. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see create a map, city and town, street address, zip and postal code. They are optional fields, so we don't need to enter anything. Once that is done, we are going to upload images of the offer. If you upload images of the offer, you are going to be getting high click-through rate. So make sure you always upload images when you are running ads. To get images of the product, come on Google and then search for keto diet. Once you search for keto diet, select images. Once you select images, you can see these are images of keto diets that you can download. When you scroll down, there are many of them. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to be using this image. So right click on the image, select save images. Once that is done, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, download another one. So you are going to download as many as you can. We are allowed to upload up to 10 images. So you can download as many as you want and then upload them. So let me download this one. Select save images. Once that is done, click on save and the image has been saved. Once you save your images, click on choose file so that you can upload your images. Once you click on choose file, select your image, click on open. That has been done. Click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open and the image has been uploaded. So you are going to click on the next one, select your image, click on open and the image has been added. You can see these are 3 images of the product. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want your ad to be featured, you are going to pay $5 and it's going to be featured for 60 days. That is 2 months. The featured ads are ads that are displayed on the home page of the website. If you want, you can pay $5 so that your ad can be part of the top listening and homepage slider for 60 days. You can see it right here. Apart from that, you can also pay $4 so that your ad can be marked as agent. So your ad is going to be displayed on the front page of the website as agent ad. So your ad is going to be displayed like this, and once people see it, they might click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. If you don't have money, all those options are optional, so you can leave all of them and then post your ad for free. In this case, we are going to post it for free, so click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see your ad has been posted. It's now active. Your ad has been posted onto the website and it's now active, so people can see it and then click on it. Once they click on it, most of them can purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action. Post different ads on this platform. Select different products, post them onto the platform. Select different countries and cities, post your ads onto the platform so that you can get people to click on your ads and then purchase the products for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.